The aim of this video is to give you an overview of how the trial timer works. If you haven't applied a license to your N3uron node yet, the node will continue operating in trial mode with a free 2-hour trial. N3uron will run with full functionality during this trial period, which means you can still add modules, connect to databases, create tags, and much more. Pretty much everything is possible in this mode. When your 2-hour trial expires, users can simply restart the demo period and activate another 2 hours of execution time for each module. There is no limit to the number of times the demo period may be restarted. Resetting the trial timer will reactivate your trial period for a further 2 hours, allowing you to continue playing around with N3uron and enjoy full functionality. It's really easy to restart the trial, and everything can be done from within the web UI. The first step is to click the Restart Service button located in the Diagnostics section. The system will then redirect us to the login page, where we will be asked to introduce our username and password. Once you have logged in, you will have 2 hours until the trial counter will need to be reset again.